Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to give you an overview of the Sage accounting platform and its features. Sage is a great accounting platform that you can use to track your budget, expenses, and manage financial records for your company. Let's get right into it. First, you need to sign up for the Sage platform, which is essential before you can start using its accounting and business management features. The easiest and most straightforward way to do this is to search for Sage Accounting Sign-up on Google. This method ensures that you are directed to the correct sign-up page without having to navigate through multiple sections of the official website. Since the sign-up option is not always immediately visible on the Sage homepage, searching through Google is often the fastest and most efficient way to find the registration page. Once you land on the sign-up page, you will see an option to log in if you already have an existing Sage account. However, if you are signing up for the first time, you will need to complete the registration process by providing various details about yourself and your business. The sign-up form will typically ask for essential information, including your company name, which is required to set up your business profile, as well as the type of product you are interested in using. Since Sage offers different products for accounting, payroll, and enterprise management, selecting the correct product type is important to ensure you receive the right tools for your needs. Next, you will need to enter additional personal and business details. This includes selecting your country, which ensures that the software is configured to comply with your region's tax laws and financial regulations. You will also need to provide your first name, which will be associated with your user profile. In addition, you must enter a valid mobile number that can be used for verification purposes or account recovery if needed. Sage may also ask for other relevant business information depending on the specific plan or product you choose. After filling in all the required details, take a moment to carefully review the terms and conditions before proceeding. These terms outline the policies regarding your use of Sage's services, including data protection, payment terms, if applicable, and subscription details. Once you have reviewed and accepted the terms, click on the Sign Up or Continue button to finalize the registration process. After submitting your details, Sage will send an account activation link to your email. Open your inbox, find the email from Sage, and click the link to confirm and activate your account. After verifying your account, log in using the credentials you created during the sign-up process. This verification step is crucial for ensuring the security of your account and preventing unauthorized access. After successfully verifying your account, you will be redirected to the company settings page, where you can customize important details about your business. Here, you will need to enter your company's postal address, which ensures accurate documentation and proper invoicing. You will also be required to provide your postal code, which helps with location-based settings and compliance with regional financial regulations. Additionally, Sage will ask for details regarding your business activity, allowing the platform to tailor features based on your industry or sector. At the top of the screen, you will notice the main menu items that give you access to the platform's core functions. These include the dashboard, which provides an overview of your financial status, as well as separate dashboards for customers, suppliers, and items to help manage transactions efficiently. You will also see the financial dashboard, where you can track revenue, expenses, and overall financial performance, along with the workspace, where you can organize and manage your accounting tasks seamlessly. Let's navigate to the dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing your financial activities within Sage. Upon opening the dashboard, you will find an intuitive layout designed to give you a quick overview of your business finances. It includes essential tools such as your to-do list, banking options, and transaction management features. One of the first things you can do is add a bank account to streamline expense and income tracking. This allows you to monitor your business's cash flow in real time. Sage provides multiple ways to manage banking transactions, including manual entry of expenses and receipts or setting up a bank feed. The bank feed option is particularly useful as it allows you to automatically import transactions from your bank, reducing the need for manual data entry and minimizing errors. In the To-Do list section, you will find key financial actions that need your attention. This includes the ability to create quotes for customers and start selling by generating invoices. If you have just set up your account, this section helps guide you through the initial setup process, ensuring that you can begin recording transactions efficiently. The Sales History section will be empty if you have just created your account. However, as you begin to record transactions, this area will populate with data, showing a timeline of your completed sales. Additionally, the Workspace includes insights into your top customers by sales, giving you a snapshot of your most valuable clients. This feature is useful for businesses that want to track repeat customers and identify trends in their sales performance. As you start making transactions and recording sales, this section will update dynamically, providing you with real-time business insights. Now, let's move to the Workspace, which offers a more detailed view of your financial operations. You can also download the Sage Accounting app on your phone from the App Store or Google Play. This allows you to manage your business on the go. In the Workspace, you can create a quote, send it to a customer, create an invoice, and receive payments. You can also generate credit notes, supply invoices, and supplier payments. Additionally, you can import bank statements and generate financial reports such as profit and loss statements and VAT returns. You can also invite a professional accountant to manage your account. In the customer dashboard, you can view your top customers, customer balance, and customer reports. If you have not made any sales yet, these sections will be empty. Since you are on the free trial, you will see an option to upgrade your plan. After 30 days, if you decide to continue using the platform, you can click on Buy Now to upgrade your subscription. The current package includes accounting for one company with 2 users. When upgrading, you can add more companies and users, and the price will adjust accordingly. Additional features such as time tracking, multi-currency support, advanced inventory, and document management can also be included. In the administration section, you can manage users and control their access. Here, you can add your accountant or other users to help manage your business. You will also find quick links and important notes for easy navigation. At the top right corner of the screen, you will find the Help section where you can get answers to your questions or contact Sage customer service. You can also manage your favorite pages and settings. Under your profile, you can access company settings, contact support, or log out. You can also manage multiple companies if needed. And that's it. Thank you for watching.